I'm John Field, and I was given a foundation grant from the WDH to do my fork truck refresher licence test, and as a result of that grant being granted by WDH, I then found myself in full-time employment. I rang WDH. They mentioned about these help that they're giving people who's looking for work. I was told to contact Sarah Harcourt, and Sarah Harcourt then got in touch with me, and from there she told me there would be a grant available and to apply for it. She explained all the processes from the grant application. She also contacted the centre, Lift It in Mirfield, to arrange a date and everything. She always kept me informed of developments. They then gave me all the details, so then I could contact them, and then they followed through every step of the way, so there were no doubts as to what to do, which was really good. I didn't have to do anything. The WDH team, Sarah Harcourt, she did it all, which was brilliant because, you know, you didn't have to think or worry about anything. They thought it all through, so you've nothing to worry about. They're just professional and absolutely nothing to do yourself. They did it all for me, which was absolutely amazing. The same day I did my test, I was on holiday from the place where I was cleaning at the time, which is here, and I was rang by my boss, and he asked why somebody else was doing my cleaning job. So I said, I'm on holiday doing my fork truck test at the moment. And he says, oh right, that's really good. He says, would you be interested in a reach truck job? I said, yeah, I would actually. So that was kind of like the icing on the cake, you know, to get the test and the job offer the same day. So that was absolutely brilliant. I was, you know, doing like part-time cleaning jobs, and having a reach truck and counterbalance licence that was sort of like not in date, kind of like limited what jobs I could go for. So to get that refresher test and then have a full licence, validated and up to date, was the key to me getting full-time employment. I've got a full-time job thanks to the grant, and there's help there for everybody else as well. Those who want some help, who want to get into full-time employment, look at myself. I got a full-time job thanks to that grant. All I have to do is speak to one of the WDH team, and that's all you need to do, because they are so warm and friendly, and they genuinely want to help, and that's for anybody who's a WDH tenant. So there's a future for everybody.